To all the CMA students, the exams are starting tomorrow. That is 15th of July 2023. Good luck, guys. All of you have put in the hard work in the last few months, and it's time for the real execution of what you have learned in the last months. Just believe in yourself. Believe in the hard work that all of you have put in all the preparations, and you will definitely come out with the flying colors. That is my belief in you. The only important thing is that you should believe in yourself that yes, we have worked hard and we will give our best in the examination. The rest, don't think about the result as of now, right? Whatever happens, that will happen afterwards. The first important thing is that how you execute your knowledge in the examination hall. So stay calm, stay positive that yes, we will do it, we can do it, and we will surely deliver our best. Whatever happens, that is a later stage that we have to look at a later stage. The first thing is you have to give your best, right? Whatever you have earned, just give it your best. Stay calm in the examination. I know it is difficult, but yes, and just follow the small things that you should be very careful about. The one tip that is really important that I would like to share, whether you are a CMA intermediate or CMA final student, one tip that I will share with all of you is read the questions very carefully. Very often in the examination hall, because we are really stressed, बहुत tension होता है, I understand that, we do not read the requirement of the question carefully, and that is where we lose out on the marks, right? If you have to spend even extra 10 seconds, but that can save 10 marks, read the question very carefully, read the question calmly. At least while attempting the question, stay calm that yes, okay, this is what we have to do. Then think, chalk out in the mind what you have to try, what you have to execute in that question, right? Immediately that should strike in your mind, but read the question very calmly, very carefully. So just I won't say much about that after this, right? One thing I would say is good luck, give it your best. All the best, guys. God bless you all.